web developers' favorite Chrome extensions. The following are the top 7 Chrome extensions for developers to help you do your job faster. 1. JSON Formatter. JSON Formatter is a Chrome extension that allows users to format and beautify JSON data. The extension formats and indents the JSON data on the current web page. 2. Fake Filler. Fake Filler is a Chrome extension that automatically allows users to fill online forms with fake or dummy data. The extension fills in form fields on the current web page with simulated data such as random names, addresses, and email addresses. 3. Wapalizer. Wapalizer is a Chrome extension that helps identify the technologies used on websites. 4. Colorzilla. Colorzilla is a Chrome extension that allows users to quickly obtain the color values of any pixel on a web page. 5. WatFont. WatFont is a Chrome extension allowing users to identify the fonts used on a web page quickly. 6. Go Full Page Screen Capture. Go Full Page Screen Capture is a browser extension for Google Chrome that allows users to capture a full-page screenshot of a web page easily. 7. CSS Viewer. CSS Viewer is a Chrome extension that allows users to view the CSS of any web page easily. It includes various features, such as an inspector tool to view the CSS of different elements on a web page and the ability to view the computed style of an element. Happy working! In the description below, you will find all links. Thank you for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you at the next one.